Today, I'm showing you my favorite Cambodian store. This is where I find all my ingredients for the mixed vegetable soup in the previous video. As soon as you walk in this store, you will notice it's really tiny space, but also the many varieties of tropical fruits. And you will be surprised to find many different vegetables here that you have never seen before. Here you will see some of my favorite vegetables and items that I love to put in my cooking. So some of these vegetables will be very familiar to you, but some of them you might just wonder what they are or what their names are. And here is another of my favorite potato. This, I love it to have as a snack. And here is another of my favorite items in the store. It's called the melon cake. I truly do not know what to call this.
What is that?